Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to fully remove Easy Peasy Builder Gel nail extensions. Rossi Easy Peasy Builder Gel is a type of super durable and strong hard gel formula in a convenient-to-use bottle. Here, we wanted to demonstrate what would happen after 20 minutes of soaking the builder gel in acetone. Because of the tight structure, acetone cannot penetrate to break down the gel. Builder gel is much stronger and more resistant to any solvents. It won't break down as easily as the gel polish or dip powder would. Here, we are going to be removing an outgrown builder gel extensions with a coat of holographic gel polish in the shade Atmosphere. Begin the removal process by trimming down the extensions. For this, you can use a tip cutter. Remember to check the underside of the nail to see where your natural nail ends. If you don't have a tip cutter, you can also use nail clippers. Be careful not to clip too close to your nail bed. If you have long natural nails underneath, then it's your decision how much you'd like to cut off. Grab a new gritty nail file. Numbers on the file tell us how sharp the file is. The lower the number, the sharper the file. If 2 numbers are used on a file, it means different sides of the file are different grits. File back and forth across the nail. This can be a bit time-consuming, so it's best to use a fresh, sharp nail file. Remember to dust off the nail from time to time to check on your progress. Keep going until you get down to a thin layer of gel. Then switch to the nail buffer to even out any marks left by a nail file. It's totally okay to leave a thin layer of gel on the nail as it grows out to protect the natural nail. If you want to speed up this process, try our portable nail drill. It's an easy-to-operate cordless device that will take you to the next level, making the removal process 10 times quicker and easier. To exchange a drill bit, simply twist a handle mechanism. Exchange the bit to the desired one, and turn the barrel back until hearing a click sound to lock it into place. Use a coarse sanding band on a mandrel. You can quickly and efficiently remove any nail enhancement. Adjust the speed by turning the dial. Use medium to maximum speed. Gently remove the product, making sure you don't apply any pressure on the nail. Stabilizing your hands is key. Extend your pinky and press against your other hand for stability. Remove the dust and check on your progress. Switch to the smoothest sanding band and remove the rest of the product. Remember, a light touch is all that's needed. Sanding bands are single-use, disposable items and cannot be saved or reused. Remember to always leave a thin layer on the nail so you don't file into the natural nail plate. Dust off the hand and wash off all the dust. Grab our brand new glass nail file to even out the natural nail. This is a very gentle file that does not damage the keratin layers of your nail. File only the free edge of the nail. Next, grab a nail buffer. With a buffer, even out the leftover builder gel on your nail plate and even out any scratch marks. You can add shine back to the nail by polishing it with the white side of the buffer. You can also choose to paint your nails with gel polish base coat and top coat, or apply regular nail polish to add shine back to your nails. As always, remember to use Nourish cuticle oil. To keep your cuticles and nails strong and healthy, get in the habit of applying cuticle oil every day. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!